Hello family, greetings to you all and welcome to the channel. It's your brother Chief Lawashaya Personal, formerly Prince Ayoko, sending my greetings to all of you wherever you are. How are you doing and how is your night going? As I already told you, I've got into a milestone in my life, and it has to take me to be present at some community responsibilities. When I say community responsibilities, I'm talking about whatever has to happen in our community. So if someone has any kind of occasion and they invite me at any time, I have to be present to take care of, whatever the person has to do in regards to their occasions to support them. So I've been invited to a BAMAYA dance tonight to, just sit and watch and support the occasion. So I'm here tonight at Lamashegu to attend one of the youth, one of the youth at Lamashegu's newly born babies naming ceremony. So these dances are called the BAMAYA dances. They are very good dancers, and in the past, the history of the BAMAYA dance can be traced to a community in Dagbon Kingdom called Zhang, when there was so much drought, that women has to go to long distance to fetch water, to a point that women cannot go to these long distances to fetch water. So men has to go to these long distances, fetch water from our rivers, from our streams, from our dams, for the family to use. So one day, this community and the entire kingdom of Dagbon had a rainfall. So when they had the rainfall, men were so happy because they will not go any longer fetch water for women to use. So they became so happy that they took their women clothes and were dancing, and that was what originated BAMAYA dance. So BAMAYA dance in Dagbon can be traced to Zhang, a community in Tamale in northern Ghana, and a community in the Dagbon Kingdom. So Zhang is a community in northern Ghana, in the Dagbon Kingdom of northern Ghana. That is located in the Nantong district of northern Ghana. So I'm going to share this important history with you tonight and what originated this dance. So family, please do try as much as you can to consider subscribing to this channel if you are new, and click on the notifications bell for more important contents that I'm going to share with you. And then also like my videos, as well as share it with your families and friends, so that people will get to understand exactly what is going on with regards to our culture that our ancestors has left for us, our history that our ancestors has left for us, as well as who we are as Africans. So that's exactly what I'm gonna share with you tonight. So the man who is singing is an oral historian. So he's singing much about what is going on with regards to this kingdom, and he shares his moral stories as well as sharing history with us. So I'm gonna get closer for you to hear what he's saying. For the fact that I want everybody to learn, I'll still do what I'm supposed to do.
Go to Facebook and you start to remind you of things recognize you.
All right, I'm here. The oral historians are telling me that they are so sorry they didn't hear about my title, and they are just, rendering their apologies for not coming to attend.
Moranda ya matrebi tamboble. Listen bon da cha ko sa ko ka ko yom meje do da do ke ma cha ba ke ma wana sa do ke ra ju dam ke ma na sa nge ko nge nge ka sa ko ke ko on ke ko ka wo ko pa so mi la ye mon ko ne pa ye jo ke ja bi ko ko to ni ko pa ke ni ko je
This is what we have as Africans. This is what we have as Africans. Everything is not written in the book. It's just the history that we all have to learn and know.
I saw Papa young, young, and yet I was I mean, you got Dagbamba young, yet Papa was lavo. You get so powerful like a so Dagbamba. I have a Papa and I have one Mamma, so no Jerga shambam bargo, kapam barga bare. The Yabra de Chilton, Papa Bell Nas with Chilton, Papa Bell Nas with Chilton, but the Balacam Lancane. I shall under the Bambi Coconut, Pamo made you the Canapana, Mambola didn't know, my Jelani local castle. I said, Parabiatuma,
They dance barefoot. They don't wear sandals. They don't wear even shoes. So please like and share. That's the BAMAYA dancers in the Dagomba Kingdom of Northern Ghana. Now, the original name is Dagbon Kingdom, but for the fact that some people cannot mention it, that's why the white man manipulated it to call it Dagomba Kingdom. But it's actually Dagbon Kingdom. About happiness and joy. My brother King Genocide, this is you, King Genocide. Greetings to you, Roots. Greetings to you, Footstops, Athletics. Greetings to you. Please let me know if the video is clear. Can you see the video? Can you watch the video very well? Is it clear? Yes, my brother Black Tropical Homestead, pleasant love to you, my son and family. Sister Zenobia, really, pleasant love to you, greetings to you all. Brother Winston Gel TV, Brother Winston Gel TV, my Jamaican brother, pleasant love to you. Yes, Sister Zenobia, really, this is very, very beautiful. This is the typical African cultural dance from the Dagbon Kingdom of Northern Ghana. This work is a very serious workout. It's a very, very serious workout. So I just have to sit for a while and then go home and get some rest. Welcome, Sister Zenobia, really. Sister Zenobia, really, you are very right. We all thank God and the Almighty, we all thank the Almighty God and our ancestors for keeping our culture and traditions alive. We have nothing to be proud about, but this is what we have to be proud about as, black people and as Africans. African born, blessed love to you. Greetings from Lamashego, a suburb of Northern Ghana to you. Hello, Sister Joanne Hartley. Sister Joanne Hartley, blessed love to you. Everybody's welcome to the chat. Yes, blessed love. My sister, Zenobia, really. Blessed love to you. Even though I'm a chief, I can still share our culture and our traditions to you. This is exactly what a leader is supposed to do. A leader is supposed to be a teacher. A leader is supposed to live, for people to know the importance of who we are. And a leader is supposed to be someone who is a leader for all. So I'm not only a leader to my people. Here at where I live, I'm a leader to each and everyone who lives all over the world. TV. The ancient the ancient kingdoms in Africa has never abandoned their traditions. no matter how or no matter what is the situation, we never abandon our traditions because that is who we are. Dancing this, you can see and you can feel the ground shaking. When you are doing this BAMAYA dance, you can hear the ground shaking. It takes a lot of energy to dance this BAMAYA dance. That's why I said it's a very good workout. Yes, I'm now Chief Yepasi Wulana. That's my chieftaincy title. So my chieftaincy title is Chief Yepasi Wulana, or you can call me Chief Wulana for short. Hope and pray that our families over there in the diaspora will someday come and witness this by themselves, because this is very, very enlightening and this is very, very important. So we don't have to be practicing this alone. People have to come and practice it with us, because we've lost so much in the past and we have to get it back. Look at this little boy, a very good dancer. So you can see the cowrie shield on his head, the hat that on the hat that he's wearing. It is to signify our culture and traditions, and you know what our ancestors has left for us. Yes, it looks much. Their dress looks so much similar to the Zulus' cultural traditional dresses in South Africa. Yes, from Sinjal TV, you are right. You just remind me about the Zulus, our brothers and sisters in South Africa. That's why I always say that Africa, we are one people, because our dresses and everything is almost the same.
my sister. I love to travel with Wave. How are you doing? Yes, I'm at Lamashego today, witnessing this important cultural dance. Because I'm invited to come over, to represent the community and to also just, watch them dance. Because it's a part of the community responsibility. Yes, Sister Zenobia, really, this is about togetherness. A place I can breathe and trust that if there is no peace, we cannot be together to have this kind of, celebrations and to support one person who will be naming his baby tomorrow. So the guy who is giving them the money, the guy who is sharing the money with them is the guy whose newly born baby will be named tomorrow. So this is a pre-naming ceremony, drumming and dancing. Tomorrow morning is the naming ceremony. Yes, brother, we see TV. That is incredible. You just have to be here to witness it by yourself. This is very, very enlightening. Change a different dance. So with this dance, you see them go front and come back. You see them move and move back. That's the dance moves. Naughty fruity. Brings you Solomon S.A. Brings you Solomon S.C. Hey, Solomon S.C. Blessed love to you. Is the video clear? Let me know if the video is clear, please. Let me know if the video is clear. Because I don't want you to miss a little bit of it. It's very important for me to share. really. Thank you so much. Insi, you said we used to do four-corner dance. Yes. This is a cycle dance. This is a cycle dance. It's called the BAMAYA dance. And this dance is from the Dagomba Kingdom of Northern Ghana, or Dagbon Kingdom of Northern Ghana. One thing I like about these dancers is that they can easily teach each and everyone who comes on their way. They can easily teach you if you have the energy to dance or to learn. So this is a combination of men and women. So this lady with the green shirt is a woman. But you wouldn't be able to identify a man from a woman. One thing that I like about it is that when you are tired, you can take a rest. Like this guy is getting some rest. A very serious workout. These guys, what they are doing is much more than what a person can do at the gym. Trust me, this dance that they are doing, somebody can go to the gym to exercise for the rest of his or her life without able to do this dance, because this is not easy. It takes a lot of energy, and they can dance for about 6 hours. They can dance for about 6 hours or 7 hours continuously. We have some Brother Winston Jeltv, you said who teaches them the dance. We have this dance is an Asian dance, so it's passed from generations to generations. So we have elderly people in the community who teaches them. So it is the elderly people in the community who teaches them the BAMAYA dance. And usually, before a child grows up, they will already know how to dance to do this dance. And they will already learn how to pick their moves. Hey, King Genocide, greetings to you. Yes, you have to really be in good shape to dance this. When you are not in good shape, trust me, you cannot even try it. They are coming out one after the other to show their talents and their knowledge with regards to the dance. They are coming out to show their skills. They are coming out individually to show their skills. Please like and share this video. It's very important. Everybody has to get their share and everybody has to learn. the kind of contents that is a must for us to share, because this is the only way people can learn wherever you are in the world. This is not a joke. Trust me, when a person is not in good shape, they can't do this dance. So the woman has come out to praise them. That's our women who are oral historians. So this is typical African tradition. I just shared money to the little girl. So this is a challenge. 2 women and 1 man having a dance challenge. 2 women and 1 man having a dance challenge. Have you ever seen this elsewhere? And a man come out to praise them. So you see how unified we are here. Women and women do things together with happiness. The little children that you are seeing here sitting on their mother's legs they are the children who are learning. Children who are not asleep and sitting on their mother's legs watching the dance. They are learning. That's how they learn. Mama G, hello Mama Gillian. Greetings to you and our families in Pennsylvania. Hey, Brother George Esiedu. Blessed love to you, Brother George Esiedu. You said Ayiko. You said you are well done. Thank you. Yae. Ayiko, Yae. This is not about going through. There's some simple exercise that you can do by dancing. This is not about, wasting time to go to the gym to pay money to get, in good shape. You can be happy dancing whilst you are in good shape at the same time having a good time. Very serious physical work. It's more than a workout at the gym, trust me. Williams, greetings to you. How are you and our families in the Caribbean doing? So thank you so much, family, for taking your time to watch. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for coming along with me. Till we meet again, stay blessed, stay focused, and please do share this video. One love, peace.